Hey everybody, it's Jackie, and I wanted to share a little bit with you about Menard's rebates today. My husband and I are very into home improvement, and we really enjoy doing projects around our house, which means we spend a lot of time at home improvement stores. One of our favorites is Menard's because of proximity. It's very close to our house, and then also we feel like we get great value on many items there. So we do Menard's rebates. Our favorite is the 11% back, where everything you buy you get an 11% rebate. However, I have learned some tips and some tricks along the way, and I wanted to share them with you. First of all, I used to think that every single rebate I had needed its own envelope, that I would spend the money, whatever a stamp cost at the time, to send this one, and then I'd have to send this one separately. I learned that I can fill out a single rebate form. So that one is this, rebate form 4448, my 4448 receipts. I would fill one of these out, stick it in an envelope, fill another one out for this receipt, stick it in a separate envelope, and then I'm essentially spending over 50 cents to get my $2.74 back. However, I asked a kind employee one time, do I need to do that? And they said, no, just stick it all in the same envelope. Then I asked, can I stick different receipts or different rebates in different envelopes? Or excuse me, can I stick them all together, or do they have to be in separate envelopes? And they actually told me, once again, you can put different rebates as long as they're all valid. So these have to be sent out, these two have to be sent out before this one, but their dates overlap. So as long as I send them both by 8/25, I'm going to be good, or all three of them. So you can send, this one's 4304, this one's 4248, this one's 4448. I fill out all of these forms. I fill out one for this one, 4248 goes here, this one goes here. But then I can stack them all together, because if you notice, the address to send these, it might have different titles up here: all-purpose paintbrush, wood stains and finish gallons, and this one's an 11% rebate. But the address on all of them is the same, P.O. Box 155, Elk Mound, Wisconsin. So what I do when I'm filling it out is I just put Menard's, I put P.O. Box 155 and Elk Mound, and all of them go in the same envelope, so I don't have to spend my money twice. Sorry, I already had my return address on there. I'm not trying to share with you guys where I live, not yet at least. So you can stick 3 different rebates, or as many as you have really, into the same envelope as long as the date is still valid. Now, I have known those tips for a long time. However, there is another one that we just recently learned about. So this rebate, the 11% ran from August 5th through August 11th. Unfortunately, we had a project where we needed lumber the week before, so my husband bought about $150 worth of lumber, not on sale, and he was really bummed that he missed an 11%. Well, when that 11% hit the next week, he just was like, I'm just going to ask if they do adjustments. They probably don't. We got this rebate form from customer service. It's an 11% price adjustment. It adjusts prices from July 22nd through August 4th. That's 2 weeks, people. 2 weeks of full sale items that we have bought in the previous week can get adjusted for the 11% rebate. That is amazing. So it doesn't work for, there's some exclusions here. Gift cards, things purchased with coupons, if it was already on sale when you bought it in that 2-week period. But if it was like a regular priced item, for the most part, it's not excluded. So we're able to attach our lumber receipt to this, fill out this price adjustment, and I'm going to stick it in with all of these, and we'll get a single. I'm trying to see if I have a rebate form to show you guys how it comes back. Okay, so this is, hide the barcode because we haven't used this yet. So this is how it will come back. It lists all like 3 different ones that we have here, and it sends it to us on one rebate form, but it lists out the different ones. So when I send in 4 of these, actually this one has 2 different ones, so it's going to be 5 different ones going in this envelope. We'll get a single rebate back from the mail, and it will list out all 5 of them, and we'll have a single amount. And I only have to use 1 stamp, when in previous years I would have sent 5 stamps to do this. So go out, go to Menards, save money, do your home improvement stuff, and leave me a comment telling me if you thought this was helpful. Thanks for checking it out. My baby's waking up. Goodbye.